Meaning of gimmick.
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 Gimmick. The word gimmick means a trick or device intended to attract attention or increase appeal, often in a showy or flashy way. It can be used to describe something that is considered cheap or deceptive, and is often associated with advertising or marketing tactics. While some gimmicks may be effective in the short term, they are generally not sustainable in the long term. Over-reliance on gimmicks may also damage a brand's reputation and credibility. Ultimately, it is important to strike a balance between innovation and authenticity, and to ensure that any unique features or selling points are genuine and valuable to consumers.